It's been more than a year and a half now since the brutal stabbing deaths of 4 University of Idaho students shocked the nation, and this morning a new development in the case right here in Pennsylvania.
2822 News was inside the Monroe County Courthouse as several witnesses connected to Brian Kohberger were called before a judge. Reporter Julie Dunphy joins us now live from Scranton with the latest. Julie?
Yeah, Nick, it is good evening. About 5 witnesses were questioned one by one in that Monroe County Courthouse this morning. Now, some of them refused and didn't really want to testify whatsoever, hearing and telling the judge that they, didn't think that it was necessary. They didn't really know Brian. The judge heard each case, but did not agree with each case either. Here's what happened this morning. Inside a Monroe County courtroom Monday, a judge ruled that 3 Pennsylvania residents subpoenaed by Brian Kohberger's defense must travel to Idaho to testify at his upcoming murder trial. Kohberger, the former criminology student accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students in 2022, was arrested at his parents' home in Albrightsville. His defense team won several people from northeastern Pennsylvania to take the stand. Among them, Brandon Andriola, who told the court he hasn't had a meaningful interaction with Kohberger since high school and argued testifying could put his job at risk due to unwanted publicity. The judge ordered him to appear or work out an alternative arrangement with the defense. Another witness, Jesse Harris, said his business and a family health issue would make it difficult to travel. He trained Kohberger briefly as a teenager at a boxing gym. The judge approved his subpoena, but said health concerns could be revisited if they worsen. A third man, Anthony Soma, did not oppose the subpoena and will also be required to testify. Meanwhile, a car dealer, Ralph Vecchio III, argued he shouldn't be considered a material witness at all. Kohberger's parents bought a Hyundai Elantra from his dealership in 2019, but Vecchio says he never met Brian and wasn't the owner at the time. That ruling was delayed until a hearing set for July 7th. Also delayed, a decision on whether a local prison official will need to testify about Kohberger's brief time in the Monroe County Jail. His documents were submitted, but still need to be verified. For now, 3 witnesses are cleared to testify in Idaho. Others will return to court next week to find out if they'll be joining them. Kohberger's trial is set to begin August 11th. Prosecutors are seeking the death penalty. Now, only one of those witnesses in the courtroom today said that they had agreed to go to Idaho to testify. The judge said if they're necessary, they legally must go. 2 more were subpoenaed today that will be in court next week. 2822 News will be there as well. For now, reporting live in Scranton, I'm Julie Dunphy, 2822 News. Nick, Candace.
All right, Julie, thank you.